Welcome to Jay's Unboxing channel, and as always I have something special for you today. It's the Galaxy Watch, and by looking at the excessive number of videos I have on my channel about the S3, you guys knew I was gonna pre-order that motherfucker right there, and I got it. So I just want to show you guys how it looks. This is my first impression too. I just got it, I opened it, and then I thought I have to do the unboxing first. Jay, slow down with the excitement. So I just opened the front with it, and right here, don't need to see that. Right here. So this watch looks pretty good to me. Well, I haven't opened it yet, so I know that it's gonna be better than the S3 Frontier, and I already love that one, so I don't see a reason why this won't be better than it. So that's why I'm not speculating. I know for a fact that it's gonna be great. But enough talking, let's get into the video. So it's a known fact by scientists that Samsung devices feel really sad if you unbox them with a standard knife. So I'm gonna use my USB-C adapter because you always cut the tech with the tech. So hold on, just give me a second. Let me just open it up for. Alright, one done. And alright. Or maybe I just cut it open because I didn't have a knife, but who's there to judge? Alright, let's get into the video. Ooh. God damn, son. Alright. Open it upside down. Alright, let's go. So this one right here, you can see from the only difference I see basically is the contrasting color, and also the buttons, they feel like clickier, and the bezel, you see those like ridges on there right here, those are much smaller, so it's more refinement of a watch. Let's turn it on. Come on, boy. Does it not have battery? I hope it has battery in it. You can see the Supreme sticker on my phone right there. So shout out to Supreme. If you guys want to see Supreme videos, let me know. I have a lot of Supreme stuff. Anyway, it's gonna open up. While it opens up, I'll just you guys like a really good close-up of how it looks. You see, this right here is shiny. This is like it's brushed aluminum, so it like the contrast here, it's crazy how good it looks. You see, and the band, it has ridges in it. Okay, this motherfucker's on, but I just need to show you this is an unboxing, so I need to unbox the other stuff. It comes with this shit right here. There's a charging cable. Is it USB-C? I don't think so. Yeah, it's a USB type. Micro USB one. Anyway, what else? We got the standard charger. That's to the fucking side. I don't need user manual. Who you talking to? Do you know Galaxy Watch? Freaking, I've been owning you for a while now. You're my bitch. You understand? Okay. See, it shut down. That means it understands. Whatever. So guys, let me know if you want to see a comprehensive review. And you know my reviews are gonna be good because I have a lot of experience when it comes to smartwatches. Anyway, that's been my time. I'll see you around. And please subscribe, like it, and dislike it if you disliked it.